Saturday afternoon. So this morning we did, exciting, we did finally install our smart lock. So it's easy for us. I like it. It's very nice. Very nice. And now I'm working with our train. And this morning as well we put the foam in the, what is it called, the gap area. So we did that this morning. And it was, so this is ready. So I'm just gonna put the trim to cover up the gap and then clean the trim, and then I'm going to paint it. Oh. Done! Oh wow, that's so cool. It looks better. No more gap. Oh my gosh, this would be perfect when I do the the paint. So yeah, oh my gosh. Okay guys, at least I already put the trim. So before I can see the gap up here. It's done. So maybe next week I'm going to paint this area. So I'm gonna paint this white color and also this one. I already bought the paint. It's a dark brown, so it will matches the door. And then probably I'm going to Home Depot to buy something up here for the wood trim, like face up here, right there. So it looks nice, and oh, it looks good. And then my husband put the, so before we put the trim, my husband put insulation, the foam or something. It helps with insulation to fill the gap. Ayan, so my husband put the foam, and then after that I did the trim. Ayan, I feel happy. I'm happy guys. Hi guys, so it's almost 8 p.m. So after work I went to Home Depot right away, and then I realized, or I remember, that Abby doesn't have food anymore and Marco doesn't have cat litter anymore. So I went to Sam's Club and Walmart. So I just came home and I went to Home Depot before I went to Sam's Club and Walmart to get this. So remember, we were working in this one. So I went to Home Depot to grab this wood, and hopefully it will work. Oh my god. It doesn't. Well, I think that's fine, isn't it? I think that's fine. It's fine. Yeah, I think that's okay. So anyhow, I'm gonna do a quick haul of what I got from Sam's Club and Walmart. Okay guys, I'm gonna do a quick haul. So it's already, oh my god, it's already 8 p.m. 8 p.m. pa more. And so I'm gonna do a quick haul of what I got from Sam's Club. So anyhow, this is what I got from Sam's Club. I get egg, and that's egg. And then also I got chicken, and chicken breast, and chicken thigh. So that's chicken thigh. And then I got also, I got chicken breast. There you go. And also, I got this thing, guys. Ayan. Teddy cats. Cat litter. That's 40 pounds. So it's like 20 kilos. And then I got this as well, bread. So that's what I got from Club, guys. And also, I went to Walmart to get Abby's food. And that one, milk, heavy cream. I got 2 coconut milk. I got onion. And onion. I got 2 ground pork. Ayan. 2 ground chicken. So this is the breakfast sausage that I used for biscuit and gravy. Buttermilk biscuits. Ayan, I got 7 of this. Also, I got this sponge. And I'm gonna clean my oven. It's very dirty. Spaghetti meatballs. And then I got corned beef. And I got creamy Parmesan chicken pot pie. And I got 3 of them. I got 3 of them, guys. Ayan. So, that's what I got from Walmart. And I paid 111. Almost 100, like roughly 112. So, I would say. So, that's what I got from Walmart. And I paid 112. So, anyhow, and I went to Albertson today to grab what is called peppered turkey for lunch. So that's what I got, guys. Today spend like almost like $200 today. So anyhow, I'm gonna prepare Matt's food. So he want to eat ramen. So I'm gonna make ramen for Matt, but I'm gonna put away this first. So see you later, guys. Hi guys. Hi everybody. So I'm here at Asian Market. I'm gonna eat lunch up here. I ordered generals. I'm here by myself. Look at that, cute. I love my knee bag. I went to work this morning from 8 to 12, and then in our lunch break I came here to eat. Actually, I came here to buy some stuff for pancit, for the stir-fried noodles, and then I can just buy food up here. So I ordered food and I'm going to eat here. And here's our food. General Tso's. Hey guys, on my way to work. Hey guys, see you later. So I was thinking to Hi guys, I'm home from work. So I just got home. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Asian Market this afternoon. Canton flour stick. Ayan. There you go. I got 3 of them. And I got cornstarch stick. There you go. I got 2 of them. Spring roll wrap. Ayan. I got 4 of them. And also I got mugu mugu. I got 4 of them. Hi guys, so I changed my clothes. Very comfy now. So I'm gonna start making ramen. I'm gonna simple ramen, just noodle soup or something. Just simple ramen. So I'm gonna pound it, and then I'm going to boil it. Boiled it. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, see? It would be yummy. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put water in our beef and then let it boil, and then while it's boiling, I'm gonna go sit down and relax. Yay! Finally Julie can relax. Put it here. Then I'm gonna put 7 eggs. And just spread that and then let it cook. And just leave it alone. So when it's done, it will automatically turn off. So I have those small bok choy up here. So I'm gonna use all of them. Okay guys, so this is our ramen. So I already boiled the beef. And then I'm gonna put the veggies and then the noodles. I'm gonna season it up and then put egg on top. Okay guys, so this is our ramen. Ramyeon. And so we have cabbage, bok choy, beef, and then we have the noodles and then boiled egg. Man, this ramen is so good. And then the meat is tender. I'll be go to bed now. Man, good.